When we are adding fractions, we just need to make sure that the denominators are the same. So if I have, as in 1a, 3/7 plus 1/7, altogether I have 4/7. So 3/7 plus 1/7 will give me altogether 3 plus 1 over 7, which gives me 4/7. Now, that's fine for the rest of 1, as you can see there, but then we have a second one, which is actually adding fractions with different denominators. We are going to first of all find our lowest common multiple, just like we did in our last video, and then we are going to add the newly created numerators. So we're going to look at this sum over here, 1/8 plus 1/4. Now, first of all, I need to look at 8 and 4 and decide what is my lowest common multiple. Well, in this case, if I go through the lowest one and keep going until I find something in the 8 times table, 4, 8, 8 is in my 8 times table as well, so 8 is my lowest common multiple. What I'm going to do then is 1/8 can stay the same, but I need to convert 1/4 until it's in 8s. What do I need to times 4 by to give me 8? Good, I need to times it by 2. Remember, we multiply by 1 altogether, so that's going to give me 1 times 2 is 2, and 4 times 2 is 8. So altogether, I have 1 plus 2 over 8, which gives me 3/8. And that is how we add our fractions with different denominators. See if you can give that a go. If you want a challenge, try number 2 as well. Awesome.